Hello, Amy. Hello, Amy. Hello, Amy. This is your little instructional video. This is an HDMI cable. It's not a very long cable, right? It has this kind of a thing on it.
She knows what an HDMI.
I don't know if she does.
I think she does.
We talked about it last night. Here, you hold this, please, sir. So we're going to go back here to the port. Are you filming the port? And you did say you knew where this is on the thing. So you just put that in there. Shove her in. There. It's a little annoying to get it all the way in there. But I think it's in. Then the other side, excuse me. Here, come down here and show her this port on the side. So here's a computer, right? And then you look for the little port that has that, like that. Jim's doing his, here, hold this please. And this goes in here.
Wait a minute.
Got it?
Yes.
And then you take your TV thing, you go to source, you get that screen, and you find the one that's for, whoops, source. Come on, source. Source. And then up. And then select. And there's my laptop screen.
You come
Right
over here,
there.
you can see,
It's right there.
and it's right
And
there.
now it's right there. And then you just run it from your
And
keyboard like normal.
Yeah.
Okay.